All right, ready? I gotta do my introduction.
Okay.
You gonna be quiet or no? Hey guys, welcome to Tiny House Customs. I'm Dan. If you're new to my channel and you wanna follow along on this shipping container conversion to something, ooh, it's top secret. Hit that subscribe button. You talked, what did you doing? Ruining the shot. But yeah, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, we're just gonna slowly turn this into a house. It's gonna be a house. Maybe, one day.
And not going to live though.
No, you're not. So currently I'm waiting on a lot of different things. I've ordered a lot of stuff. I've spent probably close to $2,000 on additional things to start this build. I pretty much have everything to get the underside done. So that is a huge chunk of this project. Waiting on the welder, plasma cutter, ordered it. I've got a lot of stuff that I got off Amazon. I am waiting for the air chisel thing. I'll never know what it's exactly called, but a bunch of needles, that's coming. I've got a really cheap spray gun, electric spray gun. I'm gonna try it out. It was only like 50, 60 bucks. Got all the paints, some welding rods, gloves, glasses. I did want to film a video of me installing temporary lighting inside of the shipping container and light switches and outlets and stuff. But I realized when I was setting up to do it that there's no point of it except to show you the layout that I'm going to do inside here. And I realized that the lighting isn't bad when I'm filming inside there as long as I'm pointing in that direction. And I can also adjust things on my camera. So I'm not going to put any temporary lighting in there. One of the main reasons is because as soon as I start working inside there, it's going to be on the ceiling and those temporary lights are going to be in the way. So no point of doing it, not going to do it. But I am realizing that I need a place to store stuff. I need some type of workbench, just a real half-ass, quick thrown together with some scrap 2x. I got a sheet of plywood I'm gonna use. Basically gonna make something that's about 8 feet long, and it's got a shelf on the bottom and then a work surface on top. Somewhere to put the chop saw on top of, mobile type thing. It's gonna be kind of big, so not really mobile. So I'm gonna get started. What's the countertop height? 36 inches or 32? I think it's 36. 36 it is. I'm gonna cut 4 legs at 36 inches. Sounds reasonable to me. Before the little munchkins come back, I'm not a fan of having kids in the video. If I say stuff to them, I'm joking. No one gave me any shit for saying stuff that I said to them. But I don't want to have this channel with kids in it. I don't like YouTube channels that have kids in them. I don't want to see them in the video. I'm watching your content because I want to see you build stuff and other things. I don't care about your kids. Not my kids, but they come over here. They're interested. If I was that age, I would have been interested too. I'd been all about whatever's happening over here. So if I make jokes with them, behind camera, there's a lot of like, you know, being nice and polite, being proper with kids. But I'm gonna make some inappropriate comments to the kids that'll go right over their heads, but it'll be pretty funny. So apologize if you're offended to that because you're a victim for no fucking reason. 36 inches. These are the studs from Tiny House Terry, so already upcycling. Isn't that recycling? I don't know. I had my drink here and my cell phone right next to it, and I was up on this ladder getting measurements for one of the major projects that I need to do. And the little kid's like, peanut knocked over your drink. I look down and the drink is just poured all over my phone. I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. I'm like, get my phone, pick it up. Still works, still works. But you know, the other day, can you see it? Oh, look at the crack. I sat on it. If that's not a motivation to lose weight, I don't know what the hell is.
What? You what? You damn kids.
I'm going to make this too heavy to lift. Hold that. You got it? Oh, 2 hands. Keep holding it, okay? I'm gonna move it a little bit, but you keep holding it. Okay, ready? Lift. Lift. Come on. That's perfect.
I gotta get on it. That's
I
where
can,
you start.
I can hang stuff on there.
Get on it.
No, I can hang stuff.
Let's go now.
And I can cut stuff. Maybe not really, but yeah.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Run, run.
All right, you guys get away. 10 feet. I officially have the world's crappiest workbench. Awesome. Pretty much, we just need to get a chair, and we've got a new chill spot. We could chill all night. So I know it's not the most amazing workbench, but it's something to be somewhat organized. I can put some screws into here to hang stuff on it. And then I've got storage down here to hold tools, welders, things like that. Might put a power strip on it eventually so the extension cord can go into it, but a lot of things will come from this. This will be one of those things that I keep for a long, long time, and then once this whole project's done, this will get torn apart. But it will be modified and changed throughout this whole project to suit my needs for the project that I'm working on. But I'm happy with it. Get stuff up off the ground so my tubby ass doesn't have to bend over and suffocate. Yeah, because I suffocate. Now I have a chill spot. Burn that! I know this video wasn't done like my conventional videos are done, but I want to document almost everything that I do on this build. So this was something that I did. Here's the video for it. You know, just relax, chill out.
Yeah, that's it. Just be chill. You don't need to be high energy. It's too much for me.
Probably you are a liar, because you are high energy.
All the time, all day. I'm a spasmolicious.
But soon I'll have some new tools here, and we're gonna really start going to town on this thing. I do want to give you guys a kind of a walkthrough of what my plans are and start laying out where these windows are gonna go, because that's gonna be some of the first stuff I do. With the exception of underneath there, fixing the ceiling, fixing those dents, cutting the holes in the shipping container. I really want to do that because for some reason I get really scared when those doors are like not open completely, because somebody could lock you in here and then what are you done? You're done. You're gonna die. But thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, leave your great nonsense down below. There's so much of it. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I'm done. Why do I always clap? It's always annoying when I clap. Just wanted to add this in at the end here, but somebody recommended I take a jack and a 2x, it's like kind of a 4x4, but not really, and jack up those dents that are in the back. But can you see how much it's bowed? And then it's not. It pushed it up a little. I pushed up this one, but the dents, it's not doing the dents. The dents need hits. But yeah, good idea, kinda, in theory. But no, not gonna work for that bigger one right there. But hey, one decent comment that came through.